When I feel impatient, hasty, then first I massage this line here, from the tip of the sternum down to the navel. So I dig in and I rub it, massage it. The best is when you lie down. And when it's not, when you still feel impatient, then I do the heart sound. So you inhale, connect with your heart. And now open your chest more to the right side, connect, and the mouth wide open. And get this excess heat out of your heart. And vent the energy down, 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 down. And repeat it so long until you feel love, joy, happiness. And you see your heart shining in a red light.